conduction earphone is now broken. Yeah, the wiring is still good, but yeah, this rubber, it's already cut. Yeah, because I am careless. I am just dropping it on my bag. Oh, let me show you the door security that I received yesterday from Amazon. I didn't able to show you it properly, but this is it now. So I basically put it here. Let's switch it on. We set it to chime. And if I open this door, it is going to make a noise. Yeah, you don't want to hear that noise. And the same for alarm. It is very noisy. It means that when someone open the first door, it is going to alarm. And it is going to wake me up, the noise. Also the neighbor. And that is good if you have kids. It means that if you are doing something that you don't see the kids, you will be warned. You'll hear the alarm. Yeah, like what I've said, there are some flooded area in different parts of the country.
The true extent of the have been completely swept away. Place for a wipeout. Saltash at Port Stephens had so much rain overnight, more than 100 mils, anything was possible. Stop.
Yeah, even in the city, in Sydney,
Next week, for the first
there is a flooded place.
So I'm thinking it's a bit of a wreck and we probably need to get out of here pretty quickly.
And tonight the Hastings and the Camden Haven rivers have reached record levels. There's major flooding also at Laurelton. The last time flooding was that bad there was in 1978. So there's a massive cleanup effort happening.
Yo, good morning guys. It is already 10 o'clock, exactly 10 o'clock. Yeah, it's dark outside because it is raining at the moment. It's been raining for almost a week now. And actually, like what I've said yesterday, flooding, as we saw in the news, flooding in New South Wales. Yeah, I don't know if we can go out. I am thinking of going out, make some creative video using the GoPro in the rain. I don't really know. I already had a cup of coffee, and yeah, this time I'm going to make a pasta. Oh, I have different sauces in here. Thai green curry. Can we do that? This? No. Honey mustard chicken? No. Teriyaki chicken stir fry. But I am boiling now the water. Need to clean it. Okay, I still have some of this beef. Just a little. And I have these beef noodles. Yeah, I'm supposed to eat this during my bike packing. I'm also going to add a little bit of this original fried noodles. Also, I still have some of this mixed vegetable. Yeah, this tastes just like those yeah, when you eat in the restaurant, the ramen. Tastes like that. I also want to put egg. Oh no, I don't have any egg. Okay, that's it. And I'm going to eat it with rice. Still raining, mate. No chance for us to go out. Yeah, I'm going to cook this. If you remember, this is the arancini. Yeah, mushroom. I'm going to cook it in the oven. This one should be deep fried, but yeah, it's okay. It's just for me. Good. Not oily. Actually, no oil. Yeah, because of the continuous rain. Still flooding in some areas here in New South Wales.
Isolated. The windows of a cafe.
The kettle.
Along the Macleay River.
Yeah, they are the people that are busy these days, the SES. The rain is constantly just like this, very slow but continuous. I mean, 2 days already that's like this. One guest in the hotel, employee of the same company, that he can't go to Newcastle because it's flooded in the along the way, so he decided to stay in the hotel. And you know, one thing that you're going to notice if there is a flood here in Australia, you'll notice that yeah, the water is clean. I mean, there's no plastic, there's no garbage. Yeah, it looks clean. The water this time is like that, it's brown, maybe because it is mixed already with the flood water. You know that with this attire that I'm wearing, a rain jacket and rain trouser, I'm not going to be, oh look at that, the tree fell down. Yeah, that's a big tree, fell down. Not good. I think it is going to survive if they put it back. I don't know, I'm not sure. Yeah, you will really notice that the water is color brown, like flood water. Yeah, I'm wearing waterproof. Oh. We are going to the grocery. Yeah, I'm going to buy something, I don't know yet. Oh, look at this. Yeah, I've shown to you yesterday. So we are now here in the town. We are going to the grocery. Two of this is just $5. We are also going to take one of this. Yeah, I got everything here in the bag. You know, 3 days ago it was, yeah, this leaves is not this low, very low now. I need to bend a little bit for me to get through. We are going this way because it's closed on that side. Yeah, there's some kind like I don't know, a tube that that is taking the water, the flood water. Yeah, they always do that whenever there is a heavy rain, so there will be no flood up here. Okay, we are home and I am now very hungry. Yeah, it is now 3:34. I already took a shower and now I am preparing my meal. I have the rice cooking and I still have this. I'm going to saute all of it. Yeah, this is my dinner, lunch, whatever. I will be eating again later tonight. Yeah, the news is still about the flood. Yeah, it is raining again. It's still raining. This the same rain like the previous days, and you can see the water. It's flood water color. You see that yesterday? Now they put the warning barrier. Oh, we are going home now. We're going up here now. Yo. Yeah, just now I am vlogging. It is almost 6 o'clock. And later on we're going to watch the news. For sure it's about the flood around here in New South Wales. And I'm making a cup of coffee. No, actually I'm going to make this. Yeah, chocolate drink. Yeah. Yeah, I'm inside the room. I'm editing the video in there, and it's raining at the moment. Yeah, there's slow rain, and for sure I will see you tomorrow. Oh, tomorrow there will be no rain according to the forecast. Yeah, it is now 6 o'clock. Oh, look at that. Like what I've said, there will be no rain tomorrow. So the sun is showing a little bit. We're going to watch the news.
To hospital. She just suggested something that she should move when it's going to the hospital for precautionary measures. It's the only way out for flooded Crescent Head residents.
Oh, look at that. The sky is color blue. Yo, good afternoon guys. Yeah, we're going home now. Yeah, today's the first day with good weather. Yeah, the sky is blue with some clouds, a little sunny, a little windy. Good. There is no sign of rain. Yeah, but still in some parts of New South Wales still have some floods. For sure, some of the people like in Tari, in yeah, in that area, people are cleaning. Yeah, flood is not good. When I was a kid, I experienced flood, but not too much because yeah, we live in the high area. The water is still color brown, still like flood water. And because the weather is very nice today, we're going to eat fish and chips. Oh, they are closed. And they will reopen at 5 p.m. Yeah, the time now is around 2:30. Okay, so we are going to eat in the town center. Oh, in here still there are some water. Yeah, for sure also on that side there are some water still. I don't know if they are going to revive that tree. Maybe not anymore. Looks like it is not going to survive. Yeah, look at the water. Yeah, still it's color brown. And in here they still have this. Oh, there's something like a wedding here is going to happen. Yeah, it is nice whenever I see something like that. It's good. And nothing at all. We're going to eat in the Chinese restaurant today. It's like a celebration of yeah, the weather. Nice weather. Also, I am lazy to go home and cook. After I don't have cash. I realized that I don't have cash. Yeah, so we're going to the ATM machine. You know, in the whole Australia, they are the only one that is not accepting card. Yeah, they are still in the traditional cash. We're going now because yeah, I need to do the laundry today because it's nice weather. Yo, good afternoon guys. Yeah, we are going home now. Nice weather again today. Yeah, if you look at the sky, it's very calm, peaceful. Yeah, very light blue. Yeah, just a good color. Yeah, nice. And today I start my duty at 6 o'clock. No, 5:30 actually. I'm drifting on along the sea, holding on to memory and it hurts me more than you know, so much more than it shows. Yeah, I just stopped here because I'm going to get some water. I always mentioned before that the water here in Australia coming from the faucet are yeah, they are ready to drink. Most country in Southeast Asia, you need to buy the bottled water for drinking water. Water from the faucet, water from the tap, they are not drinkable. But in Singapore, yeah, you can also drink the water from the faucet. And I think most country in Europe, you can also drink water from the tap, from the faucet. I'm not sure. Yeah. Oh, in Dubai also, no, most of the people in Dubai buy water from yeah, from the water store. Yeah, I don't know, but for cooking we are using the tap water. Yeah, even in most country, tap water is okay for cooking. Wanna take forever tonight, in this love and this moment forever. Gonna give you all that I got. Instead of right, I get crazy. Oh, I wonder why there is line. I never seen a speedboat. Yeah, there is no speedboat, but there is line. Why is that? Actually, there is one speedboat on that side. I didn't see. Yeah. Okay, I'm going to sit this higher. It's very low. Pity those who wait, trust and love to fade. So this is how it is here in the marina. Yeah, these are all done by this yeah, cockatoo. There are so many cockatoo and they are breaking these trees. There is a season that they are doing this. I mean, there is like a month or yeah, days that they are doing that. All those trees are like that. Even this side, yeah, they broke the leaves. When I saw you would open the door. I know that I love again. After a long, long while, I love again. And this is how it is in here. And you know, see the water still a little bit dark brown. Yeah, so it's still rainwater and flood water. Yeah, even in Newcastle, I saw in the news yesterday, there is already the surfing competition, and yeah, the surfer said that the water is not clear, it's brown. Yeah, it's a beautiful day today, but yeah, we're going home now. Or maybe we go to the grocery first. We're going to get this stir fry. No, better this, the coleslaw. I'm going to take one of these. This is just 89 cents. Oh, this is sale today. We're going to take one of these. Oh, this is just $2.50. Siomai, also this dim sum, just $2.50. And this siopao or pork bun, $2.50 also. Yeah, it is now 3:20 and I have the rice here, and this is the pork dim sum, and this is how it is. I'm actually going to just put it there. Yeah. Oh, this is how it is.